even people younger than me, ages 13, 14, can be using. Just even on the phone, texting people online. It's everywhere at the minute. It's everywhere. My dad had started with alcohol problems bad for years, and he ended up becoming sober for a while, and then he got into just the drugs, and I would have walked in a lot of the times, and he would have been overdosed or in comas or seizures all the time on the floor and stuff when I was in high school, and then his drug use just kept going over and going until his body just shut down due to the drugs in hospital one day, and then he lost his life. Probably around when I was about 13, 14, just drinking really, from a young age, just thinking that was normal, going out with friends and just drinking alcohol pretty young. They're seeing just what turned out in the later years with his alcohol use and drug use. It made me start to realise that I wouldn't want to go down that path, and it would be best if I seeked help because it just wasn't worth it. It's sad, but I no longer have to worry about my brother or my father, who was that was always in the back of my mind, having to worry about them. So it's sort of at peace now, and like it feels completely different, but it's never impossible. And no matter what it is, there's always support out there. There will be someone willing to help.